The second area of expungements covered under the statute are summary offenses that are over 5 years old. A summary offense, and these are pertaining to summary offenses written under the Crimes Code, a summary offense would typically be something like retail theft, also known as shoplifting, harassment, which is unlawful striking, kicking, or shoving, disorderly conduct, which can be a wide variety of behavior ranging from lewd and lascivious to nasty language to just being disorderly. It's a catch-all for the police for any kind of unruly behavior. Public drunkenness. So basically what I'm looking for under this statute is I want it to be written under Title 18, so it's a crime. Most crimes are misdemeanors or felonies, but small crimes are written as summary offenses. They're almost like traffic tickets. They only have like a $300 fine. There's usually no jail time involved. People tend to just plead guilty to them. Don't do that. Talk to an attorney. It's easier to avoid a conviction than to wait 5 years after a conviction to try to clear it. But a summary offense after 5 years of law-abiding behavior can be petitioned to have it expunged. If everything I've said is true and there has been law-abiding behavior and it's a single summary offense, then the expungement should go through according to the process that I covered, and then the record will be cleared. One of the sticking points about these cases are sometimes people have more than one summary offense. Sometimes the police believe, well, you're charged with a misdemeanor 2 or a misdemeanor 3. You could get a year or 2 probation. So I'm willing to reduce your charges, but I want you to have 2 summary offenses. I want you to have 2 harassments, or a harassment and a disorderly conduct. Now you have 2 summary offenses. So in the language of the statute says you can have a summary offense expunged after 5 years of law-abiding behavior, but it doesn't say you can have 2 expunged. So some counties, the district attorneys are very reasonable and they look at it and they just say, look, this is a summary offense. Go ahead, file for both of them. We're just going to agree. Other counties, I take the procedure of filing 1 summary expungement to get that one gone, and once it's completely disappeared, I circle back to expunge the second one, because now they're not sitting there as twins. One goes away and then the other goes away. I don't know if I need to do that, but what I don't want to do is file on both of them and have the district attorney say, oh, well, now we need a hearing because you're trying to get both expunged, but you're only allowed to get 1 expunged. We could go to a hearing in front of a judge, and based on reasonable argument, a judge might clear both, but he might not. And then the county and everyone knows that I tried to clear both. Then can I circle back and clear 1? Maybe. I don't know. So I file on 1 and then the other. And that's what I have to say about summary expungements after 5 years. You have to have 5 years of law-abiding conduct. Can you get a speeding ticket during those 5 years? Sure. No other criminal conduct. What if I get a compulsory attendance at high school? I'm not worried about that. Just no criminal conduct.